Modern vehicles rely on advanced systems to deliver comfort, control, and efficiency. When you look closely at how many of these systems operate, one common factor ties them together: technical fluids. Hydraulic fluids, brake fluids, engine oils, and transmission fluids are engineered to do far more than just lubricate. They are functional components that allow modern vehicle systems to operate as designed. For more than 40 years, Pentosin has worked closely with OE manufacturers to develop these fluids for use in critical automotive applications. One of the earliest examples in Pentosin's original offering is central hydraulic fluid, developed for advanced steering and hydraulic systems. It was engineered with a high viscosity index, low compressibility, excellent thermal stability, and superior lubricity to meet the demands of complex hydraulic designs. As vehicle technology evolved, so did the fluid. Today, that legacy continues with Pentosin CHF 11S, a synthetic, high-performance hydraulic fluid designed for automotive hydraulic systems with the highest technical requirements. These include modern power steering, level control, shock absorption, hydropneumatic suspension, and stability and traction control. These systems are not only complex, but they're also expensive to repair if serviced incorrectly. Using a premium OE-approved hydraulic fluid helps ensure consistent system response, long-term durability, and peace of mind for both technicians and vehicle owners. Pentosin CHF 11S is widely specified and approved by OE manufacturers and remains one of the most commonly recommended hydraulic fluids for European and Asian vehicles. It's frequently used in applications such as Mercedes-Benz ABC suspension systems and power steering systems found in many Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, and Volvo models. To stay up to date with products from Pentosin and the rest of the CRP brand lineup, join the Jumpstart team at crpautomotive.com/jumpstart. And don't forget to subscribe to CRP's YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about new videos like this one. Thanks for watching.